me start with explaining what are the segments that Acuity provides: medical transcription, coding, as well as scribing services. Just to start with medical transcription, which is our predominantly bread and butter business, and we have been doing this business for more than 40 years, and we are present in India since last 20 years. Medical transcription is a document that is created by the transcriptionist, basically documenting a conversation between a doctor and a patient. As per US laws, every conversation between a doctor and the patient has to be recorded, and it has to be in the digital format. Under the HIPAA Act, that conversation has to be in a format which is freely portable, which is digital. And that's what we do, is by helping doctors to document this efficiently. Now let's go to medical coding. Medical coding starts exactly where transcription ends. As I said earlier, that every conversation between the doctor and the patient needs to be documented, and for doctor or the healthcare service provider, for getting that paid, it needs to go through medical coding. So the transcribed document, after it is complete, goes to the coder for the coding purposes. After the coder has put in relative codes, then it goes for billing to the insurance companies for getting it paid. Hence, coding is also a very important service that we provide, and it is required by the healthcare service provider for getting it paid. Hence, transcription and coding are both related, and hence we are very active in this field. Let me talk to you about the relatively a very new service that we are providing: virtual scribing. Virtual scribing is a service that wherein we have a human, invisible human, sitting in the room where doctor is talking to his patient, or doctor is having a conversation with the patient or examining a patient. The scribe is in the form of listening to that conversation via telecom, and what it does is takes away the administrative burden from the doctor. Scribe listens to the conversation, and on behalf of doctor, it populates everything after listening to that conversation into the EMR system. Hence, doctor does not have to do that. So by providing this valuable service, scribes on an average reduced around 1.5 hours to 2 hours of time that doctor was spending earlier on this documentation, and hence it is a very good and a very important service, because the challenge that this industry faces, or healthcare industry in US faces, is about physicians burnout. Physicians are complaining about their way of life, and how the administration burden is killing them, and they have to put in extra works to finish that administration. What we are doing is exactly helping them. They can treat more patients. By taking away the administrative burden, doctor is able to see more patients and is able to be very satisfied in the work. The doctors' complaint in US predominantly has been that they went to medical school so that they can treat patients, not to become a data junkie. And hence, by we taking that load off, we are helping doctor to serve the patient in a very effective way. So these are the 3 line of services that we are providing. We have a significant presence in India, and we plan to use all of our Indian infrastructure to keep on providing these services. I take pride in telling my story. It is very, very fascinating for me. I started my career 15 years back with this company right here in Mumbai as a lower level manager in the finance division of the company, and over the last 15 years had been wearing different heads to become the CEO of the company, which is a tremendous achievement personally for me, as well as it says about this organization. If everybody is working hard, then the opportunity for them exists. Just to elaborate on that, how my journey has been. I joined the company in 2004 as manager of finance in this office in Mumbai, and then went to US in 2007 as director of finance for the entire business unit. Over the period, we did several acquisitions and transformed the company from purely being a service company to being a technology company, and went through the phases of technology. We introduced technology in a different ways in terms of helping our customers to reduce the burden to them. That has been the key of my success as well as my company's success. Is we listen continuously to our customers. How can we help them to reduce their pain points? How can we take away the administrative burden from them? and always I keep on thinking how to use India in a different way, which can help them to reduce the cost and help us to generate this employment in our great resource in India. So personally, it has been a great journey for me moving out from here to US in 2007. I've lived 5 years in a beautiful town called Annapolis, which is on the East Coast, very close to Washington DC. It's in fact 30 miles away from Washington DC. That's where the company's headquarters were then. I lived 5 years then, had a wonderful baby there. My youngest daughter was born in Annapolis, so I've got very nice memories there. After living 5 years in Annapolis, company got consolidated and headquartered in Raleigh in North Carolina, where we rebranded the company as M Model, and I have been living there since last 7 years, and enjoy living there, enjoy working there. I have a great team work for me in the financing, in the finance department, in operations, everywhere. So it has been a great journey, and I love every moment of being a part of this journey. What surprises me is that every day my job brings up the challenges. Since we are dealing with humans and I have got a workforce of more than 7,000 people, it's always challenging, right? Because humans interact or react in a different way in a different circumstances. That fascinates me, also throws challenges for us. How can we provide the same quality service to our customers that we have been providing? The great ideas come for us from our customers. What we do as a company is we interact and work very closely with our customers, basically the healthcare service providers in US. Most of them are doctors or CMIOs or CIOs and CFOs of the leading healthcare organization in US. We have a very close communication with them. They discuss the challenges that they are facing, and in discussion with them, it comes the great idea about how do we solve those issues, right? Every day there is a new challenge that is thrown to them. As you can understand, in healthcare there are limited resources, and always mankind is going through different problems, different diseases, different outcomes, and how do you solve it, right? So our customers want to solve this for betterment of humankind, and we want to be a partner with them in terms of helping them or taking away the administrative burden that the system has put into them, and reduce and let them do what they do best, right? Which is helping humankind in terms of solving the human issues. So that's what we do best, and that's where all the innovative ideas come from. And just as I described prior in our scribing services, that idea has been coming out through constantly discussion with our hospitals. So the scribes become so integral part of the doctors. You will be surprised that some of our customers who are US based doctors have visited our production centers in Hyderabad just to meet the scribes who have been providing them these services. That's a very fascinating, puts you into a different dream of things, that how personal doctors can be with this kind of a service that we are providing. So it's very fascinating. Yeah, that's very interesting, right? What keeps me going is the Bollywood madness. I am a huge Bollywood fan. I love watching Bollywood movies, and that's what I do on the weekends. It reduces tremendous stress out of me. I don't have to think for anything for 3 hours. I am only going through Bollywood nonsense, and it gives me a lot of fun. So I'm a huge Bollywood fan. I watch a lot of Bollywood movies, or I would say all of Bollywood movies. And then also I love going to music concerts, specifically for all Bollywood performers. And I and my wife both enjoy music a lot, and we would go and watch at least 12 to 15 concerts every year in US, since most of these artists come and perform in Raleigh where I live, or in Washington DC, which is very close to where we live. So we go and watch them, and it's fun and a best stress buster for me. I'm also obviously living in India. I'm a vivid cricket fan, and I follow cricket crazily. I watch all the games that India is performing, even if it is midnight US time. I get up to watch the live performance. One of the very exciting fact that I wanted to share with you was one of the things in my bucket list was to watch India play Pakistan in the World Cup, and I was able to fulfill this time. I went to London and watched India play Pakistan in Manchester, and I can tell you that it was the most fun when India beat Pakistan. So that was the best part of 2019 for me. right? Any transition, such a big transition, is always challenging, right? And so has been transition from M model to Acuity has been. In M model days, we were predominantly a technology driven company, and in Acuity we are a services driven company. So we are more human in Acuity than we were in M model times, because we had technology solving a lot of problems, while here we will have humans solving the problems for our customers. So it itself is a challenging issue for us. However, in last 10 months of being Acuity Solutions, we have been able to demonstrate this to our customer, that we are a very stable service provider in terms of servicing. None of our SLAs or our commitments to our customers in fact have improved. None of the components have gone bad or have worsened, and that is what customer has seen and has successfully recognized Acuity as a leading partner for services that we provide to our customers. That is the first part of transition. The transition has gone very smoothly. Our people have managed it very successfully, and I thank my entire workforce of 7,000 to help me to achieve that, in terms of not at all reducing our customer satisfaction, which is a big element for any big transition. Now let me talk about the growth. Since we are now focused on service company, we have invested heavily into our coding and scribing services, which are our catalyst for growth next years to come. We have invested heavily in training infrastructure as well as recruiting infrastructure for coding and scribing here in India. We are recruiting people in hundreds and thousands, because that services are very efficiently provided here out of India, and our customers like the cost advantage that we have been able to provide to them by effectively not at all deteriorating service, in fact superior services at a fraction of a cost than the US. And that has been the key for our success, and that is going to be a key growth factor for us. And we are heavily investing in infrastructure of training these people. We need people in hundreds, and trying to see if can we engage with Government of India in the programs wherein we can help them to train the people, and we can hire those people as they are immediately out of the college. The need for these kind of services is going to raise multifold in US. If we can provide these services faster and we can recruit these people faster, it will be advantageous to us. We are globally acknowledged as a leading service provider for healthcare services. As our customers are spread across US, we are in length and breadth of US. Plus, we also have customers in Canada, in UK, as well as in Australia. And all of these customers have acknowledged Acuity as the leading service provider of various services that it provides, and are now interacting with us continuously in terms of solving their challenges and issues by providing them with very efficient workforce that Acuity has. KLAS is a leading third-party rating agency in healthcare services and healthcare IT. They are like JD Powers of healthcare. As JD Power rates customer satisfaction, what KLAS does is gets the feedback from each and every customer of respective service provider and then rates them as per the survey from the customer. So just to highlight that, Acuity is rated as #1 transcription service provider in the world. There is nobody better than us, and our customers see that, and our customers do participate in that survey and acknowledge that Acuity is a brand to be recognized in this service that it is providing. So KLAS is very important for us to win any healthcare business, because healthcare service provider would want to see your KLAS rating before they can trust with you to hand over their services under your fold. So we are rated as #1 in transcription. We are rated very highly in our coding services. We are working with KLAS to include scribing services in their rating. We should see that rating start somewhere in 2020, and needless to say that Acuity will be #1 rated in their scribing services.